Well guys, it's been a year on YouTube. It's been an interesting year. It's had ups and downs. It's mostly been good, but I wanted to take this time to kind of reflect on how things have gone and the way things have progressed for the last year, good and bad. Now I'll tell you, there's a lot of things that I just didn't expect with YouTube. One of them being, and probably the most important thing, is just the amazing friends that I have made through this YouTube channel. I have met a lot of really cool people that I've formed really good relationships with that I never expected this to happen when I started joining YouTube. I just wanted to make some videos and put them out there and see if people watched. That's all I really cared about when I got started. On the flip side, I did not expect it to be so hard to grow a YouTube channel. It's a lot more difficult than I thought, and it's a lot more difficult than most of the social media platforms that are out there. Now, it's not all bad because I believe it's more kind of an organic growth. It's more of an authentic growth. I believe for the most part, when you build an audience with YouTube, it's because people find your videos, they like them, and they subscribe, and they watch your stuff. Whereas a lot of the other different like Facebook and Twitters and stuff, it's all about like Transformation Tuesdays and follow me and I'll follow you. And I just don't see that as much with YouTube. Now that doesn't exist, but it seems to be more organic. Now, I have about 550 followers at the time that I'm shooting this, and in a year, I don't know, good or bad, indifferent, I don't know. Now I look at a channel like Travis S. The guy's got a fantastic channel, and he started about the same time I do. In fact, I got the idea to do this video from him because he recently did a 1-year video, and you know, we started at the same time. He's got 10,000 subscribers, I've got 500. Now, that's not taking anything away from Travis whatsoever. He's got it for a reason. He's got a fantastic channel, he puts in a lot of hard work, he's got good quality, good content, good production skills. He's got really good stuff, and there's a reason he's growing super fast. And if I want to grow faster, I need to do the work, and I need to be more consistent, and I need to bring better quality videos, and I need to just step up my game. So I can be better. No doubt about it, I can be much, much better. Along the same lines, I want to talk about Brian with Humorous Fitness. This guy is just amazing to me, and serious man crush, ain't even ashamed. This guy absolutely brings it. Every single day, every single video, everything he does really in life, you can just tell he brings forth such a passion and such great energy, and he just works his ass off. And he's just got that no regret attitude that I just love, that I try to do myself, not on his level though, can't even lie, and it just inspires me to try to become more like that. So Brian, I don't even know if you'll see this now, but if you do, thank you very much. A lot of your advice and your tips that you've given through your videos have really made my channel better, a lot better. And it may not be the best channel out there by any means, but it has improved significantly through your tips. You know, my thumbnails have improved a lot, my editing skills have gotten better, just the production quality, everything that you've done is just awesome. So if you see this, thank you very much. If not, I guess that's cool too. But seriously guys, check out his channel, it'll be in the description below. If you're not following him yet, you must subscribe to him right now. I'm telling you right now, best channel in the fitness community by far. I apologize to everybody else out there, but there's nobody else even close. It's just awesome. Now as for the progression of my channel in the last year, just take a look at some of my first videos and just see how poor I spoke in front of the camera and just how cringeworthy it really was. Make the lifestyle changes. Yeah, they don't know how they can become more disciplined. That's something I want to try to help you with today if this is one of your issues. Last week I showed you some video of my lower body heavy workout, and not good at all. But just like anything with life, the more you do it, the better you get at it, the more you stick with it, the more you improve, and things get much better. There's been a lot of other changes in my life in the last year. You've followed along for most of it if you've been here from the beginning. I went from having the background of my house, the background of my parents' house, now the background of my apartment since we moved from Minnesota to Florida. I quit my job of almost 15 years, and I am now pursuing my passion as a strength coach. A lot of big changes, and you guys have been here along for the whole ride. I appreciate it so much. Really looking forward to the next year and what it brings. Hopefully building my base a little bit more, bringing you even better content. If there's anything you guys really want to see, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to try to make it for you. And thank you so much. Stay tuned for a little bit more.